Welcome to FDIC Hands-On Conventional Forcible Entry, the keys to the job. This 4-hour class is designed to maximize hands-on time for every student. Our seasoned instructors will cover in-depth conventional forces on inward and outward doors. Every student will force real commercial and residential doors with multiple locks engaged. We will also have students force commercial doors with drop bars and slide bolts mounted. In addition, students will get hands-on experience cutting metal garage doors and pulling lock cylinders, learning the tricks to successfully go through the lock. As additional challenges, we will have stations set up in limited space and limited visibility forces in our Forcible Entry smokehouse. If you're looking for a hot class that gives you the opportunity for extensive hands-on time and will prepare you for what you will face on the fireground, then this class is for you. We look forward to seeing you this April in our Keys to the Job Forcible Entry class.